Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Heading into Friday here, very interesting technical pattern, and one that I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this pattern, are going to be wondering the same exact thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. So with that being said, the first part of this pattern is just what has now become a very apparent stubborn area of resistance, and that's right up here at the $4.20 mark. So a whole lot of people, you can see, rejected it on Wednesday, and then this morning once again rejected it. So a whole lot of people are going to be watching that $4.20 mark. And like I said, self-fulfilling prophecy, whatever you want to call it, it can definitely produce some dynamic movements. So if the price gets back up there and then finally can break through it, a lot of people are simply going to buy for no other reason other than the fact of, well, hey, it broke to new highs through that pattern, which can then cause shorts to cover and so on and so forth, and then create, like I said, more so the self-fulfilling prophecy of a continued breakout. But that is first off, the price has to just get up there. Now on the flip side of things, as far as the pattern is concerned, have this very nice trend line that's in play here. So really we have this ascending triangle, wedge pattern, whatever you want to call it. The point here is that the psychology, the quote-unquote story behind the pattern is that over time, yeah, the bulls are slowly but surely pushing the price upwards. But at the same time, you got to respect the fact that the bears seem to be really have built a fortress up around the $4.20 mark. So going forward into Friday, it's not necessarily that the price has to break up through $4.20, but a whole lot of people are going to be watching that level. So we'll see how this one plays out. But yeah, certainly an interesting pattern, and I know I'll be keeping an eye on it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.